coming from amazing party in Corti. Thank you so much for organizing something so spectacular. So, very exciting event is taking place today at the Jade Towers in the heart of Fuengirola, where we had an invitation to see one of the most amazing facilities, the most amazing show apartment. Everything has been completed. And I can tell you this is one of the most exciting new build projects in the middle of Fuengirola. There is nothing quite like this, nothing quite this futuristic. So very well thought of in terms of the general facilities of the complex. And yeah, there still have apartments available for sale. So if you need anything further, let me know. I'm going to be delighted to show you around.